using the Sweets and Treats stamp set from our holiday catalog, our July through December catalog, and you'll see that there are some samples here already. We're going to do a fall version of a gift. I love giving gifts all year long so that it's not just at Christmas, and then it takes some of the pressure off of Christmas as well. So you'll see that this little dome coordinates with the cloche dies, which is another stamp set coordinating with it, just in case you wanted to know where to find those. We're not going to be using this dome, the cloche, today, but you could use that if you are interested in the coordinating products. There's also some shaker domes that are available so that you can make it into a shaker card or an ornament. So many great ideas with these two things. But let me show you what I've got. So we've got our stamp set. We've also got our black and white gingham ribbon, which is perfect for the holidays. I cut out a piece of pumpkin pie from the Stitch So Sweetly framelits, the largest one here, the scalloped frame. Love this. I use those framelits all the time. Then I have a piece of designer series paper. This is from the Pattern Party paper that you can get when you host a party, or if your order is over $150, you can choose this as part of your host rewards. It's such a great pack of paper. There's so many patterns in that. Then I've got a piece, just some scraps of Bermuda Bay, pumpkin pie, and crumb cake, along with our craft gift boxes. Now these come flat so that with a little window so that you can stamp it while it's flat and then assemble it and put a lot of different fun things in it. There are 10 for $10, so they're $1 each, not too bad for a giftable box. Let's start by doing a little stamping on here. We're going to stamp our pumpkin pie just randomly all over the front. I'm also going to stamp that pie right here on this piece of paper. Okay? Then the next thing we're going to do is assemble our box. These already have the adhesive on them. So lovely, easy project. Hello. Okay, so we want to assemble the bottom of the box first, and that's this part without the window. So if you fold back the little tabs, you'll see your adhesive. Take off the paper, and you're going to adhere this one to the bottom part of the box. Easy. See that? Look at that cute little box. I love it. Here's the thing. Guess what fits perfectly inside here? Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts fit perfectly inside this box. I'll give credit to my daughter. She found the pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts at Target. What else could you put in here? Let's brainstorm for a minute. You could put a set of cards. This is large enough for a set of handmade cards. You could put, it's only about 3/4 inch deep, but it holds 2 Pop-Tarts. You could probably get 4 Pop-Tarts in there if you squished them, but I think that's just adorable. We're doing a little color blocking with our stamping here. I'm going to stamp the pie, the cake plate in Bermuda Bay. and I'm going to stamp this greeting that says, "Any way you slice it, I'm thankful for you," onto our, I think this is about a 3/4, let's see. Yeah, it's a 3/4 inch piece, wide piece of pumpkin pie. Cajun Craze Stampin' Write marker. You could also use any of your Stampin' Blends markers and just color the pie tin. I just wanted it to have a little more color and be ready to present a pie or pumpkin pie. And then you will take your scissors, because there are no dies for the pie or the cake plate. Take your scissors, cut them all down, and here we go through the magic of television. They're ready to go. We'll adhere our designer's use paper to the frame. I think I'll put this one on just flat, so we'll adhere that. Here's a little tip. When you are using your Stampin' Seal, remember to always end with the Stampin' Seal straight up and down. That means that when you come back to use it, you will have adhesive at the bottom ready for your next project. I think I want to turn that over so that it's kind of framed in like that. Perfect. Let's do some dimensionals. We'll use our mini dimensionals here. This is when it's kind of nice to have a long side that is all connected, because you can put that whole piece, cut it to the size that you need. Take off one side. Usually when I cut out, I like to leave a little bit of an edge around this, but in this for this project, I didn't. I cut it right next to the outside edge of the image with my scissors. Pumpkin pie. Are you a pumpkin fan? Oh, I am such a pumpkin fan. My family kind of laughs at me, but I'll eat pumpkin year round, not just for pumpkin spice season. So we're looking pretty cute here. Look at this. Love it, love it. Let's see how we can use our ribbon to really just finish this off. So I think I'm actually going to go right around the center this way. And you could make this into a tag, but I really like just the way it sits right here. So let's put on some more dimensionals. We'll put some on the bottom and on the top. Look at that. Is that just not so adorable? I love that. And they can toast their own. So that's a cute little toasty treat with the pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts. Here's another one that I used, and I stamped in Cajun Craze, and I made a tag with my pumpkins and the words, "If friends were pumpkins, I'd pick you." I just cut those out. So there you go. A cute little treat with Pop-Tarts inside our pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts. Hey, remember to subscribe to get all of my newsletters so you aren't at the whim of the Facebook or social media platform when it goes down, so that you can always get the news. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next Monday.